Hello everybody, welcome to Daily IT channel. To get all of our tutorials and support our channel, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace cleaning blade, replace drum, and replace charger and replace developer. For sharp photocopier AR family 5516, 5518, 5520 and 5618. First of all, why we need to replace these consumable items after 60 to 80,000 pages printed? Copies are light color. Developer or charger in this case might need to replace. Dirty print, in this case drum or cleaning blade, or both might need to replace. Alright, let's open the cartridge door, take out the cartridge toner and open the screw of a developer cartridge. Open the side door and then take out the drum unit. Here we opening a screw of the charger and then take out the charger from the drum unit. Do it carefully, there is some slot, have to slide slowly to the left side. Then open the screw of the cleaning blade, take out the If you look at the cleaning blade, the blade color, the plastic parts is get yellow color. This is the developer. This is the unit and this is drum. Should you take care for the drum unit because it's very sensitive, not should touch and scratch. Here the locker of the drum, and let's open the charger, unboxing the charger. This is the cleaning blade. And this is charger. We're going to replace the charger also. Here we fix the cleaning blade. Unbox the drum unit and fix it. And finally we fix the charger. Alright, let's open the developer cartridge. Open all the screws. Here I've threw out previous developer powder and I've cleaned it by a vacuum cleaner properly. Fill the developer slot with the powder and turn the gear to distribute among the slots. After that, close the developer cartridge, tight the screw and fit in the machine. Here we go to do a few functions in the sitting mode. To enter to the sitting mode, press hash key, interrupt, C interrupt, then we enter main key, start key, and then sub key and press start button again. Okay, here we want to do the automatic adjustment of developer. For this, press hash interrupt C interrupt 25 start key 02 again start key. Next we do the clear maintenance counter by press hash key interrupt C interrupt 20 start key 01 start key. And finally, to clear the drum counter, hash interrupt C interrupt 24 star 04 star button. If you would like to see the maintenance counter, press hash key interrupt C interrupt 22 star key. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you found the video useful. Take care until next time.